piece of information if it is associated with something you already know or remember? Well, this is my new learning and an interesting takeaway from a memory enhancing workshop conducted by Dr. VINOD SHARMA. Well, I, along with my team at Delhi Public School Haldwani, learned some amazing ways that how one can score desired marks effectively by memory enhancing techniques. The resource person, Dr. VINOD SHARMA, emphasized on few important points such as MSV, that is, mark sheet value. He introduced to all of us a magical term, yes, a magical term called Shakti, SHAKTI. He also told us about different types of edutechs. Well, I totally believe that Dr. VINOD SHARMA has given a new definition to learning. I really hope that people all around the globe get this opportunity to be a part of this learning session. We all together can really make this teaching learning process more effective. Thank you.
Brainywood, India's best innovative learning platform.
Download the app now.